Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly special. The 2026 Ferrari 296 GTB. A car that perfectly blends Italian craftsmanship, hybrid performance, and next-generation design. If you're a true automotive enthusiast, this is one ride you're gonna wanna stick around for. So buckle up, because what Ferrari has done here is nothing short of mind-blowing. Let's start with the heart of the beast. The 2026 Ferrari 296 GTB comes with a 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of around 819 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, a V6. But don't let the cylinder count fool you. This hybrid setup gives the car an insane acceleration time, going from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.8 seconds, making it one of the quickest Ferraris ever made. And the top speed? A breathtaking 205 miles per hour. The 296 GTB isn't just about straight little speed. Ferrari has poured its racing DNA into every curve and contour of this car. The handling is razor sharp thanks to a finely tuned suspension system, active aerodynamics, and a low center of gravity thanks to the mid-engine layout. Whether you're hitting tight corners on a track or cruising down the highway, this car responds like it's reading your mind. Visually, the 2026 model stays true to Ferrari's legacy while embracing modern design language. From the aggressive front fascia with sleek LED headlights to the sculpted sides and the signature quad taillights at the rear, every angle screams performance and elegance. And let's not forget that iconic Ferrari Red, a color that practically defines passion on wheels. Step inside and you're greeted with a cockpit designed purely for the driver. The interior features a blend of premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber. The digital instrument cluster is all new, fully customizable, and displays everything from speed and RPM to hybrid power distribution. The flat bummer steering wheel houses controls for drive modes, indicators, wipers, and even the Manettino switch for adjusting the car's character on the fly. It's not just a cabin, it's a control center. One of the most exciting aspects of the 296 GTB is its ability to drive silently in pure electric mode for short distance. That means you can enjoy a quiet city drive or an early morning cruise without waking the neighborhood, and then unleash the full power of the V6 on the open road. It's efficiency without compromise, something we never thought we'd say about a Ferrari. In the US version, Ferrari has also integrated some market-specific tweaks, including compliance with emission regulations and a slightly different infotainment setup. Still, the soul of the car remains untouched. It's bold, it's fast, and it's unmistakably Ferrari. So, whether you're a longtime Ferrari fan or someone just discovering what the brand is capable of in this new hybrid era, the 2026 Ferrari 296 GTB proves that performance and sustainability can share the same garage. It's a car that points to the future without ever forgetting the thrill of the past. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more automotive content like this. Drop a comment below and let us know, would you take the 296 GTB over a traditional V8 Ferrari? Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your dreams racing forward.